Managing multiple mobile accounts can be a real headache. You often need different phones, different apps, and constant switching between accounts just to get your work done. For marketers, e-commerce sellers, app testers, and social media managers, this can quickly become time-consuming and expensive. But what if you could access multiple cloud phones from a single platform without buying extra devices? That's exactly what GeeLark aims to do. In this video, we are going to take a look at how GeeLark works, explore its main features, and see whether it can make managing multiple mobile environment easier or more efficient. So let's dive in and explore what GeeLarks do. So first of all, guys, here is our platform. GeeLark is here. So let me show you how this platform works. First of all, you can check out, there's a proxy section. You need to go click on the add proxy, and you need to give your own details over there like that, and check the proxy and click on the OK option. After clicking over there, so guys, after clicking on that, here you can check it. Our proxy has been added. And after that, what you need to do, you need to create your own profile. Here's a new profile. You need to click on a new profile over there, and your profile will be created. And let's see what you need to do. You need to give all our things here, like the groups and remarks, everything to on this platform. Say click on the proxy saved option and select your proxy over there like that. I'm going to select Chadley proxy. And Judith chose the charging method like monthly rental or pay per minute, and at run variant you can select over there like 15. And here's a preview option is also here. Preview will be checkout. And after that you need to create on the click on the create option. And here what you need to do, you need to click on the start option, and then everything will be start. And that's the interesting part, how you can use this platform. Here's it is also connected to the cloud phone. And let me show you how the things work. So here you can check it out. Here everything is generated, and it's look like an original, a phone over there, like you can run your own phone on this device and click over there. And after that, guys, here's in the more section, you could check out the volume option. You could literally, you control the volume like a normal phone. And here is the volume mirror, detach, clear, and restore option is also available there. And here's the upload section where you can literally upload a lot of things on this platform, which is also in front of you guys. You could also check it out. And in the app section, you could find a lot of the apps. Like on the App Store, you could find all type of the apps on this platform, and team applications are also available there, so you could go and check them out. Apps are also available there. You can check out the Socials app, every app you can use on this platform. And after that, here's the next part, which is the synchronization, basically. And let me show you how you can do that. Here is Synchronizer, because you could absolutely run more than one or two devices. Like if you have a multiple docks, you could over there click on it, option on here, and you need to select the device in and click on the option open. And our videos, here's, you can check it out. Here's a connection to the cloud, and this will be generated. And here's how everything goes, guys. You could check out everything. You could Slack and multiply us on one device and explore a lot of things on this as only a single platform. And after that, here's the automation section where you can check out a lot of things on this platform too. Here's the automation section where you can choose your own platform like TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Everything's available there. So you can do the TikTok video posting where they delete all videos and check out. These are random tasks you could complete on this platform, and you could choose the custom talks, and their plans and laws are also available there. So you could go and check them out too. And their upgrade plans are also available there, like how you can check all their plans are also available there, how you can buy their prices. Everything is very cheap. So guys, how does this GeeLark work? So every detail in the description. Don't forget to check them out, and for this amazing platform. Thank you and goodbye.